The future doesn't wait, so neither should you. I want you to acknowledge the voices that you listen to. Make sure they are true. Which ones need to stay and which ones do you need to let go? I want you to acknowledge your passions, because your passion unified results to your purpose. And when you know your purpose, you know how to enter each room. You know you're coming in as the answer. You're not looking for the answer. You're not saying, please sir, can you pick me? You're saying, I am here. You have to choose me.
I've been teaching for roughly 20 years, and I just have to say that the speakers we've had in today are the best by far that I've experienced in my teaching career. The way they work the audience, the way they interact with the crowd is by far the strongest I've ever seen. The students absolutely love what they've seen, and they leave the area feeling really motivated and really ambitious for their next chapter.
He said, look, you've got to get this guy in. He's amazing. He is going to change the way that your children look and feel about the exam process, about how they come out even when they've got results that they're not really that happy with, what they can do about it, and really build that motivation.
It's been a real pleasure today to be introduced to Mike. His message of thrive, pursue, respond to our students has been a real key one, and they've left feeling really enthusiastic and motivated towards their next chapter.
Let's go. Oh, hi guys. My name is Mike, and I am confident, I have class, and I carry charisma.
I'm Vicky Moore. I'm the Raising Standards lead at Brackenhale.
Hi, my name's Chris Farrell. I'm assistant head teacher here at Welling School.
And Mike's piece around what the MO is in order to get children really engaged and really excited about what their futures can look like was amazing. I think having him on board of the team is just fantastic.
My desire is to create impact, not just to be a voice to the nations, but to be an example. I don't just want to be speaking, but I want to live what I speak. I carry integrity and I carry transformation. The impact that I want to impart to the young generation is to let them know that they can be revived. They can regain momentum, they can regain life, they can regain everything that was broken, everything that was stripped away. They can regain it back, and they can actually soar. They can actually dream big, and they can actually do what they are supposed to do, what they are uniquely made for, what they are called to bring out. That is my deep desire, and that is why I do what I do.
The students absolutely love what they've seen, and they leave the area feeling really motivated and really ambitious for their next chapter.
Hey, yo, this my MO. Thrive, pursue, respond, let's go, say.
Hey, yo, this my MO. Thrive, pursue, respond, let's go.